other heathens who plot to attacking me. Who can say why I'm a tragedy? My plans are magically made with miraculous accuracy. I could attack quickly. Who are you to a damn masterpiece? Selena come back just to sing to me. I don't know if I am even controlling me. I kill then I sleep, then smoke and repeat. I see you at dawn with the fleet with me. We swing and we cut and repeat till it's dust. I don't let these hoes come finesse on me. Oh, clean yourself up, you get me, but don't touch.
Bitch, don't say that I'm not with the shit. I do nothing but slaughter the bitch. Godfather with black tongue for the stick. Tie you up from your arm to your wrist. Give no fuss, bitch. I'm hard that I'm tick so show up. You'll be found in a tent with an S on my chest. You can come and try to get no best on your chest and a tip to your head. Sucker, I'm coming, ain't nowhere to hide. Ride with a nigga or die for your pride. Ride in the skies with rain in my eyes. My phone on my lap with my grip on my side. Nigga try me, then he ready to die. Take what you own and make it all mine. Bitch, I've been doing this, niggas is doing this. Kill everything, then fuck it, I'm through with it, bitch.